Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here on the back of an Aquila 54, and today we're going to be talking all things tenders. Now, you'd be surprised how many different ways that you can go. What kind of tender is going to fit your boat the best. That's not always the biggest at the max capacity. Actually, there's a lot of times that I find something kind of in the middle of the road is a lot easier to launch and retrieve with one person, so you're not stressing all your equipment. Back here on the back of this Aquila 54, we've got actually a fiberglass tender, even though it looks like an inflatable. Rigid's one of the brands. AB's really popular. Highfield I've had a lot of great success with. And you can do whatever you want. You can trick these things out. I mean, shoot, this one, you could tow a skier with it if you wanted to. There's three different ways that you'll see a tender set up. This is a side console. There's center consoles, and then there's ones with just a tiller handle on the motor. Now, that's usually gonna be your most inexpensive, and you can fit the most people on a tiller. So it really depends on how many people you're gonna be going to and from shore with. You know, of course, these larger boats, if you're out on a mooring ball, this is how you're gonna get into shore. And on top of that, they're a ton of fun to drive. Now on a 54 Aquila, it has a boom that comes out up there. On a lot of boats, you're gonna have a crane system, and it's also not uncommon to see boats with a drop-down platform more on monohulls, where it's gonna go all the way in the water and then you're gonna come on back up. So usually when it comes to the tenders, there are tender professionals out there, and hey, they know tenders like we know boats. So give them a call, order your yacht, have the tender ready to go when you get here, and that way you have the complete package. Tender, dinghy, whatever you want to call it. If you want to learn more, make sure you visit MarineMax.com and we'll give you the whole rundown. Bye guys.